All right, welcome back again. So I just want to share with us this update from Tara Reporter about Nigerian Army in Abia State caught with kind of stealing. The headline is funny though, but that is exactly what is going on. In fact, reason why I decided to report this from Tara Reporter to share it with you is simply because one of the things that is trending in Nigerian land is because any criminal, any attack, any activity that is not good in Southeast, they will stay use Biafran agitators, IPOB, ESN, Makanos Boys, Simon Ekpa, Governor Beze, name it. Everything going on that is illegal in our land, they will tell you Biafran people, IPOB people, ESN, Master this, Master that. I'm not saying that we don't have people that are maybe doing something illegal, but that is not to justify every crime in our land, because no society, no town, no community is crime free. That's number one. Number two is that when they are busy trying to paint everywhere IPOB, Biafran people, they are the one committing crime and all that, those doing that are actually the one doing it, trying to cover themselves with different agitators. If not that this one surface before, because we are not going to see it. Who would have believed that this kind of thing will happen in the Southeast in a time like this, where they say they're conducting operation, this operation, that, and using some people from the eastern part that are, of course, fathered by Fulani to perpetrate crime and claiming what they are, that everything going on in our region is being done that is illegal, that is being done or being carried out by different agitators. So I'm happy that Sarah Reporter did not sugarcoat this one. And there's another woman in Anambra State that cried out about the attack or crime committed by Nigerian police. Of course, if that permits us, we're going to go through everything as we have it here before us. So let's start with this report from Sarah Reporter, and I'm going to go through it together with you. So please make sure you like the video and share it to many platforms of your choice. Let us know what you think about what the video is all about. As you can see here, the headline reads, Nigerian soldier caught in robbery operation in Abia, admits stealing 4.9 million from victims. He has already admitted, the soldier, that he stole 4.9 million from 4.9 million naira from victims. Okay, and when you come down here, this is the map and everything, or half year and all that. So he said March. This happened in March 18th, 2026. What is today's date? March 18th, 2026. So you don't tell me his old story. His old is not. Today. Standard Reporter gathered that the suspected claim to be attached to the 14th Brigade of Nigerian Army in Ohafia, Abia State. That is where the army belong. 14th Brigade of Nigerian Army in Ohafia, Abia State. A serving soldier of Nigerian Army identified as Lance Corporal Chukwuebuka has been accused of robbing an unidentified man of 4.99 million naira while armed with axe. Okay, he armed himself very, very well. Sarah Reporter gathered that the suspected claimed to be attached to the 14th Brigade of Nigerian Army in Ohafia, Abia State. In a video obtained by Sarah Reporter, the soldier was seen being interrogated by a superior officers after he was apprehended. He was reportedly caught in possession of 2 axes and a pair of handcuffs, allegedly used in carrying out the operation. During the questioning, the suspect appeared confused when asked about his identity and service timeline. When asked to state his name, he said Lance Corporal Chukwuebuka. The officer further questioned him on the justification for his action. How did you see what you did? The officer asked. It is very, very wrong of me, the officer admitted. The officer, visibly angered, condemned the act saying, how can you go and carry someone for nothing? That is what Nigerian army are targeting him and all that. Remember, he could be part of the army that followed Nigeria to villages in to follow to villages in his southeast. You never can tell. If not that this one happened, they will twist that is IPOB member. Hold it there. Look at the kind of acts you use on your fellow human being. They ask him, and this ripping of everything he had, and the ripping of everything he had, because he forcefully, made away with the money and everything, maybe through the intimidation or harassment, an army officer with us, and of course catapult and all that. You know how army prepare. And so when asked how much money was taken from the victim, the suspect replied, 4,999,000. The officer pointed at the handcuff allegedly used in restraining the victim and rebuked the soldier. The officer pointed to the handcuff allegedly used in restraining the victim and rebuked the soldier. This is a handcuff you use on him for doing nothing against you because somebody called you and you are a serving soldier. The officer said he further lamented the damage such action caused to the image of Nigerian army. It is unfortunate you guys are not representing us well. Some of you are not representing us well. I can imagine that is why at times they will be insulting us for nothing. He said, yeah. But you know this truth. You actually know this truth, but you are just trying to, do what you can to cover up, isn't it? We know all those things. So he said, I cannot imagine that you left your duty. You left your duty post and were gallivanting around. Now look at what you have caused yourself. Look at the level you have gotten yourself. Look at the level you have gotten yourself to. It is unfortunate. I just pray that this matter ends well. When asked to describe his actions, the soldier admitted wrongdoing. My action was an illegal action. It was not right for me. It was an illegal action, sir, he said. On whether he acted alone, the suspect disclosed that another soldier was involved. Of course, we know how they operate in Southeast. Sir, it is only me and one soldier, he said. One or two is enough to cause damage in army because the fear of army will be here. As to name the accomplice, he responded, the name of the soldier, I think he said his name is Ifeanyi. He is my senior. He is serving at 13th Brigade. When questioned about his share of the proceed, the suspect said he received 1.5 million. 1.5 million he confirmed. The officer then posed, that is the senior officer that interrogated him, posed a moral question asking him how he would feel if his own younger brother was subjected to such treatment. Okay, accosted, assault with axe, handcuffed, beaten, and forced to transfer 4.9 million. It is unfortunate, the soldier replied. When asked if he knew that his action amounted to armed robbery, he responded, I know, sir. The Nigerian army has yet to issue an official statement on this incident as of the time of filing this report. However, the development has raised serious concern about disciplining, accountability, and criminal conduct among some personnel within the force. That is the same thing that you guys did when you carry your uniform and dress and working hand in hand with Chukwuka. Most of the soldiers that are working with them are not Fulani. They are basically Igbo people in army. That's all the fact. Fulani may be there, but I have seen a voice note of Ikenga from his own platform. In the past, I don't keep it for a record purpose, but don't ask me to go and bring it. I have listened to in one of broadcasts or video, he was replying people by playing a voice note of a soldier who is speaking Igbo fluently. That does not say that does not mean that Igbos and Yoruba, Hausas or Fulanis are not speaking Igbo. There are so many of them that, just like with who his father allegedly is a Fulani man, his mother as an Igbo woman. And for Igbo woman that's watching the video, this is to tell you, stop breeding nonsense to our people, because it's very, very unfortunate. This is not the only one. Like I told you earlier, another video here. We have a video of a woman, okay, claiming that that somebody also, an officer in Nigerian army, also, committed a crime against her husband. An Anambra-based woman has cried out. This is as of time of reporting this one. The person that made this post happened to all these IPB people, but the report is what I want to focus on. 23 hours ago, an Anambra-based woman has cried out after Nigerian police officers arrested her. Officers means there are many. Arrested her husband while he was on his way to buy drinks. The officer accused him of being a thief and later extorted 200,000 from him at flyover Opi Iweka. Opi Iweka, not Opi, Opa Iweka Onisha, in Anambra State. So watch the video. Listen.
And onye ọbụla nwetara information a make sure na ọ tụsara ozi a ka ama ma ọ ga-erute our governor Charles Soludo solution aka maka na ihe na-eme na Anambra steeti a na-eme ị na-asị kedu nọọ ndị nwa na-akpọ ndị nwa afọ mana ihe na-eme anyị bụ na be anyị ka ọ dị kedu m na-akọrọ unu na enwere ihe mere nwanne ụnyaahụ Ibu jere Obianọ wee bute nwọt n'ọpa iwe ka ebe ahụ makwa relief market nke onye ọbụla nwa wee nata n'okpuru flyover ndị polisi wee kwụsị my husband wee si ya kedu akwụkwọ moto a nna agwa gị ha bọs na-acha white anyago moto for 20 years si ya kedu akwụkwọ moto dị nwere akwụkwọ moto ji ha na-echa akwụkwọ moto zuru ezu ha si dị na-ede custom color na moto a kwesịrị ịbụ color not white. And besides, mmanya ọgwụ na moto ebe ka o si bute ekwu okwu aka ha sị dị m ede ka ọfụ ọga na moto n'ime abazie moto nwa ka ọfụ ọga onye nke anọchie ya ebe onye nke anọchie ya ebe a the next thing efu ha buru dị m nwufuo webe handcuff wefee ya aka azụ tinye handcuff n'aka na-abụ sị na ọ bụ onye ori wee buru dị m wee na-akpa ya mana ọ wesa ka ejide steshọn kedu ihe bụ na ya bụ onye ori ha wee sị ya ekwukwa na anything. They have. In fact, not they have 500,000. Ego gini si. Nda bido kwa touch my husband to police. Before I went in there, my handcuff had to figure out how to wear to ya. Okay, what the women have transferred 200,000.
Kind of foreign man.
Because us young ones, there's a Monday kidnap and young no police. Makana ujoku hana we are giving it. Hanechesi. Ya wanechesi no when you go Burundi kidnapper. Where's the yourself go to life, yeah?
Which is normal.
However, we are to POS. ATM card, yeah. Phone, no contact. We had the web, we had the share, we drop all the man, we had 200,000. Timunata. Na say ke di hon so ko fi we ke ba ki te give the word. Also when na the police kidnap ya. Say ke dey na the police kidnap ya. Also when ihe afu ta ta ya afu be dey since nne jire mu ya. Na ya gwa ku na police dey kidnap mma. Na ha bi na bayale. Na say on Oma made the money, or Mama made the money. He ain't got away with them. And when yesterday, but 13th, when we need to do our lesson, but what's the one I get? I'm going to see this matter. Well, the matter, what I can do, fly over, be where as long as Boko Junction, Boko Division. When I did my way move from one my sister, now Bujabu CSO. Send a prayer now. Also, my Boko Junction. I hear it all Boko, send actually for DPO. Abata. Thank God for some Canada's wall because then Koya say Korea, this DPO Austin Okafor no Boko. That man was somebody, a very young guy. Well, but I was saying that we hide him, and we have this man waits, he saved his chest. Some noble on the division, and never training on the division, and I want to keep out the hand. Where someone else so one on, I got the root of this matter, on the division, I'm on all the division, yeah, can what everything did very hard. Or where's the two men, how you uniform? Before they say for one, they need a Pukololo, say that everybody should report to station. Kama madima ga identify with the how even the motor. Had in another or wrong on your leave ha boom on your medi ha or somebody who can go to your duty post. Or when you two men, let's say the mufti. Ha by Aya Chabanda. Can make your shot and what the Runda. Luckily for us, behold, and after one of fly over when the one car back to our motor, whatever when I rob one day money. Man, they have teacher as motor. The West and motor, then they have already to because at this thing we go higher to the top, or you people will surrender now. However, no how the had ready to pay back the 200,000. I don't know where I want that. When I want to have to take on to plan where we got that 200,000. No, when you share this back. You know where we had in Anambra State.
And the fact one day we're going to the
one of the 200,000, we go back to DPO Boko Junction, the Austin Okafor. When I say and I hang up, also no bullet, yes, it's simple. Yes, actually, if we didn't have. Like I'm not that here now bring bad names to Nigerian police force. Indian bridge, so he had about 4 sets of police. Man think weapon on one, never wait for Tata Camo to so goalie. Sasha Dimu, not only a good in Abia, or we want to transfer 200,000. Western hand, I'm the queen and net. Call your woman to so here. Money had never put fly over or be worker. And you tell once again about a motor. How you book it when I do whatever when I'm go and report to station. This is you are behind down and Remawa. Or what will you send to the house? I can't wait to see police. Or what a hancha, Mahana DPO, I'm one of that body can still fly over. No, I can't see if I can't go on when you're one of those here. To Sabozia, or over a solution.
Now, if this one is not out, is guess what? IPOB, the African agitators are escorting money. They are the one kidnapping, taking people, disturbing business, and all that. So, Ludo, this is sit at home. This is also part of the African problem. This is part of the problem that Biafra give you. This is you are not fighting this kind of thing the way you are fighting it. Sit at home in Anambra. Not from me. You heard it from the woman direct, her own husband. Anyway, I just want to share this with us so that you know that when you hear crimes, I need to guard them more like he did that Europe hotel they go Jovica. I need to guard them do she everywhere. They are all part and parcel of this. They are working with this kind of police officers. They are working with this kind of army officers, going from house to house. Once they want to rob you, they will baptize your IPOB member. You have to pay dearly. Nobody want to die. Nobody want to die. That's just a fact. They will give you name. Some of them even moving with it. Biafran, like a Biafran flag, Biafran costume. They will tell you, you must do this or And once you hear that, there's no other thing you can do. Why their benefactors are busy on social media, okay, shouting IPOB is a terrorist. Once they see you, they want to rob you. Maybe your skin looks somehow fresh. You are potential. In fact, you're a victim. They will label you as charge you and threaten you. They will do this and do that, just to create fear in you. And before you know it, you have to go. Let me know what you think about it, and please like the video and subscribe to the channel in case you have not. Share it to many platforms of your choice. Let me know what you think about all discussed so far. God bless you and see you again. Bye bye for now.